What's up, P-Timers? I'm expanding my Porsche collection, so I've got 16 brand new Porsches here that we're going to open up. Alright guys, we got 16 Porsches to open up, so let's do it quickly here and start with the Carrera GT. There it is, the Carrera GT, and not all of these are brand new. They're kind of like put together from a few different years of cars. There's a few ones from 2017, might be one from 2018 release. First one we've got is the silver Carrera GT with the faster than ever wheels on it. I love the Carrera GT and I want to get all the different color variations of the Carrera GT from Hot Wheels, but gotta love it. There's the first one there. Put that one down. We'll go to the next one. And this one looks like a nice Porsche 911. This one's quite heavy. And it is the Porsche 911 Carrera. And this one does have the Viper wheels from the 90s on it. Let's open this one up. I don't know the exact year of this one. Like I said, they're all different year variations. And this one does have very good protected plastic on there. So look at the plastic that I have to actually get the car out. It's tough to get out. There we go. And like I said, this one is very heavy. Surprising how heavy this one is. But cool looking flames on the side, and check out those original classic Dodge Viper wheels. And the nice detail of the Porsche logo on the front there. White interior on it. Not too bad, pretty cool looking car. All right, we'll throw that one down. We'll go on to the next one. And this one is, look at the Rockin' Rods series. And I don't know the exact, this looks like a slant nose one. So let's go ahead and open this one up too. Oh, Porsche 930, there it is. I don't know what year that is, but that's different that they have it up there. And the tampo on this one is definitely unique in itself. Check out the colors on there and check out the front. Wow, that is crazy. Next one up is a newer variation, and this is the Porsche 934.5 in white. And I really like this model. This is very popular in the past year for Hot Wheels. So let's open this one up. And this one I believe is the 2017 release of this. White color variation with those cool colored gray wheels. And look at that Porsche detail on the side of it there. And great detail to the front of it. Such a classic design. I'm in love with this model. Love the big rear wing, the wide body on it. Looks so great. Very nice. Next to the Carrera GT from Hot Wheels, this has got to be one of my favorite castings that they've made for a Porsche. All right, we'll put that one down. Next up, another very popular casting. It is the Porsche 959. And this was one of my old favorite Porsches. Great looking. All right, let's open this one up. This is one of the old race to win online cars. So it says you can peel the tab. So let's go ahead and peel it. I'm pretty sure this contest is over, but there's a tab that you can peel. I'll throw that one aside. All right, there's the 959, and this one is a nice casting with the flames on there. It's a very 80s, 90s casting, and check out the twin turbo. Very out there and advertised that it's a twin turbo. The 959 was a great car, ahead of its time. The all-wheel drive car, nice classic Porsche look to it. Very nice. All right, put the 959 down. Next up, we've got, looks like another one of these. Actually, you know what? This is a double. There's two of them, so yeah, that's interesting. I didn't realize there was a double of these ones, but let's go ahead and open it up anyways. Oh, this was the one that was hard to open up, but let's get it open. And you know what? Since it's part of our 16, then this one has a double chance at winning. So maybe we'll see both of these ones in the finals. That would be interesting. All right, not going to show you those ones in too detail. You've already seen it. Next up, we've got Porsche 930 in the white variation with black on there. Let's go ahead and open this one up. This one's pretty cool. Nice looking black on there. The Porsche logo on the front of it. You can see pretty decent detail for a little bit older of a casting. It's got that slant nose on there, and then the whale tail on the back. And I've seen this one in a lot of other color variations. I haven't seen the white one before, so it's new to me. All right, we'll put that one down. Next up, we've got, this one is, looks like, yeah, 911 GT3. There it is on the side. I was just gonna say it was a GT3. And this one does have those kind of Viper-esque wheels on there, if you're a fan. The card is a bit dusty. I bought this off of another collector. And I'll throw that one aside. There it is. The 911 GT3, blacked out headlights. And this one is like a tangerine color to it. Black on the back, a nice tampo on the side. Very, very nice. Cool casting. Do like that one. Put that one aside. And next up, we've got another 959. This one's a black variation. Well, let's go ahead and open this one up. There we go, the black 959, the big 959 on there, and the twin turbo, just like the last one. That's up this one, it's twin turbo on the side, big chrome wheels on there, and it's all blacked out everywhere else, and nice logo on the front that also says twin turbo on the front of it, as you can see. That's a cool casting though, love the 959. I'll throw that one down there, and oh, what do you know, it's another 959, and is this one a double as well? Wow. This is my bad, guys. I should have checked, but this one is also a double. So this red 959 has another chance. So let's just quickly open this one up. Although I probably shouldn't have opened it up. Probably should have kept one for collecting, but for the purpose of the video and for my bad on not checking, it's going to be open. So, all right, next up we've got a Porsche, what is this, 911 Carrera, white 911 Carrera. 127 on there. Let's open this one up. Got some weird protection piece on there, and this one's got some different colored wheels on there. Oops, I'm dropping the packaging. There we go. So it's got like some chrome red wheels on there, and it's got the nice classic Carrera writing on the side, 127 on there. It's got some sort of other logo on there. I don't know exactly what that says, but very nice. Porsche logo on the front, Carrera on the top of it as well, and on the back it's got the little tail on there. This one's definitely weighted too, it's got some heavy weight to it. We'll put that one down, and next up we've got the Porsche 934.5, another one, except this one is the black colored variation of it, and this is another newer release. So let's go ahead and open this one up. You guys saw the white, now you get to see the black one. And like I said, I absolutely love this casting. And I believe there was another color that they came out with it recently. I can't remember the exact one of it, but there it is. Oh, it was a blue. Now I just remembered it was a blue casting that they just recently came out with. Very, very nice. And they have the blue one in a supercharger hunt for 2018 as well. All right, we'll put that one aside there. And next up, we've got another Porsche 911 GT3. And this one, let's just double check. Is this one the same as the other one? No, it's not. The other GT3 is this one right here. So not the same. That's good. So I only screwed up maybe twice on these cars that I thought were not all doubles, but there is the two. There's the 911 GT3 number 1 on the side. I love these wheels. These are one of my favorite for Hot Wheels wheels, although they could be a little bit bigger on this car. Look at the tire gap on there, and yeah, definitely a little bit older of a casting, maybe not the most detailed. The newer ones are a lot more better put together. And this is a kind of a classic Porsche color as well, that kind of light blue that was popular on the 996s. There's that white spoiler on there, that GT3 spoiler. All right, we'll put that one down. We got a couple more here. We got another 911 GT3, and this one is got a silver one with a yellow wing on it, yellow interior. Let's open this one up. There we go. And this one's got those mesh wheels on there, that nice colored tampo on the side, and the yellow on the outside, and the silver on there. Pretty cool. All right, throw that one down. And we've got, oh, this one's quite different, the 928. Let's open up the 928. And there it is, Porsche 928. Very, very cool green color to it. Definitely a different one. I like that. That's neat. That's neat. All right, last but not least, we've got another Carrera GT. This one is in like a darker gray color. The other one we had was silver, although it does show somewhat more silverish on the card on this one. So colors don't match card in the car, but you know what? The car is what matters. And this one, oh, love it. Love the Carrera GT. Oh my God, it's just such a great casting. Such a cool car in real life too. Here's the silver one that we got so you guys can see the two different color variations, but it's such a great car. Oh man, so good, so good. So happy I got these ones.
Thanks big timers for watching this video. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe and throw this video a like. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye bye.